Today's mission is to finally get standalone power upstairs. So the biggest trick is a three-way light switch, which I've never done. I already started laying wiring, three-way wiring, but I want to switch here at the bottom of the steps. To operate as a three-way this light switch. So on off downstairs, on off up here, them two working in conjunction for 1, 2, and 3 recessed lights. Reason being, I wanted to do the wiring for the lighting so I can go ahead and do insulation and finish closing this room up, drywall. So today's mission is to wrap up the electrical. Some of it I've already pre-started. Another switch over here somewhere. Socket, I'm sorry. So when it's all said and done, it'll have 3 recessed lights operating on a three-way switch. One switch here so that if I'm upstairs, I can turn the light off on. One switch down at the bottom of the steps so that if I leave from up here, I can turn the lights off at the bottom, or if I'm coming up here, I can turn the lights on from the bottom. So three-way switch for 3 recessed lights on one circuit. 1, 2, 3 outlets will be on one circuit. And then 1, 2, then along the back wall, 3 outlets will be on the second circuit. Yeah, I could have done the outlets on one circuit and the lights on one circuit. One circuit is probably strong enough to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets and 3 lights. But this is the garage, so heating and cooling is going to be done by electrical outlets only, meaning the air conditioner is going to be in that back window, pulling power on that circuit, and heat is going to be done, wherever I sit. I have some type of plug-in heater drawing a lot of power. So I want to make sure, when entertainment electricity is used, radio, television, anything of that sort, it's not impacted by huge amounts of current being drawn for heating and cooling. And with that decision, why not overdo it if you have the opportunity? So 3 separate circuits for 3 outlets, and 3 lights. Oh well. But again, today's mission is to button up this electricity so that I can do insulation and start slapping drywall up and make this look more like a room.